Okay, we're doing a vlog. We're playing crazy golf and we're in a volcano. Alison's taking her shot. I'll go with Mel. Hi Mel. Well, I've got to take mine. Go on.
Oh no.
Oh shit! I was last. I thought you were gone.
Within the caves of hell, the demon takes a shot.
I don't think I did very well with that one. Ah. Go on, Lewis.
Bugger off, that was yours.
Well, the lights are distracting. 2.
You can draw 2 there, Lou. Go on, Mel. Nice position, Mel. There you go.
Damn it, I'm still really full. Sorry. Who's got the car? Where's the pen?
Alison.
Lewis, give me the pen. Oh. Why are you like this? 3 for Mel. 3 for me. I don't have a pen, you want to give it me? 4. That's uncomfortably close. Lewis is always uncomfortably close.
6.
Are we all
Lewis, where's the pen?
Place my hand.
Can you have it? Give it.
Okay, we've done the volcano now.
Right.
And then, like, this is the rest of what we've got to do. So should we get out of the dark?
Mel, what did you get?
Let's go.
3. Gemma, what did you get?
6. I got 6. It's on the crap. So,
Do you get to go in that little tree house?
I don't think we go in the tree house though. So that is our vlog of how shit I am at golf and how good everyone else is. Especially Lewis for some reason. I know. Anyway.
Say bye.
Bye.